This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 4th, 2016. Corn market today down 2 to 3 cents. Bean market up 3 to 5. Wheat market up 2 to 4. Feeder cattle up 152.5 on the fronts, down 50 in the backs. Live cattle up 1 in the front, down or up about 57.5 in the back. And on the hog market today, down 110 in the front and down 50 in the back. So really kind of a mixed emotion day. Corn market struggled a bit as it looks to good planting conditions, good weather looking at least for the next 2 to 3 weeks ahead, and a little bit of concern that that's going to drag on the market with some bigger potential stocks and carry out, especially because we've got a May 10th report coming next week. The bean market, on the other hand, tried to get up today, up about 15 at one point, faded back to finish only 3 to 5 higher. So another question mark reversal type day as to what we have here. We still finished higher today though, so going to be another very important trade tomorrow, and then really to finish the week as we chop here in the beans particularly. And the wheat market today up 2 to 4 cents. Really didn't do too much here after yesterday's washout. The dollar index was up 32 today, so really kind of kept a limitation to what the grains really tried to do to the top side today, and we'll have to see what that dollar does as we work ahead. A pretty key reversal there, and the dollar index has got it supported, and we're seeing a lot of the markets, including gold, silver, energies, and really the grain complex as well, struggling a little bit as a result. Feeder cattle today showed a little bit of promise here with the weaker corn market in the nearby, but the back months really didn't follow too well. Cutout values continue to be on the decline, and that's hurting the market a little bit. On the live cattle side of things, kind of a similar undertone. We need some support here in the futures market, in the cash market here, to really get the futures going here. We're holding together reasonably nice despite the weaker cutouts, but the cash undertones need to see something develop there later this week into early next, or else we're probably going to fade back down. We are optimistic yet that we could see a potential bounce, but we need to see some of these things form here in the cash markets. The hogs, on the other hand, a lot of talk about China, what they're trying to do over there on expansion, and that brought a little bit of weakness to the market today. We continue to struggle with these key resistance points, and I expect that'll be the case until we either see more dynamic exports tomorrow or something else that shows the pipeline that we're using a good amount of pork. As of right now, these are good marketing points from our vantage point in the hog market. Watch the export sales tomorrow and have a great night. This has been Jim Emter at Van Ahn & Company. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results.